Parliamentarian.
Thank you. I must also address you as Rosa Ben. Chairman, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I'll say a shairi which gives an importance to the eye. Those who don't understand Urdu or those who don't understand Hindi, I will translate it for them. जाम से जाम पीने का क्या फायदा, जाम से जाम पीने का क्या फायदा, रात गुजरी तो सारी उतर जाएगी। अगर पीना ही है, अगर पीना ही है तो किसी की आंखों से पी, अगर पीना ही है तो किसी की आंखों से पी, खुदा कसम सारी जिंदगी नशे में गुजर जाएगी। What it says basically, there is no gain in drinking peg after peg. When morning comes, all the euphoria, all the high will vanish away. If you really want to drink it through the eyes of your beloved. I swear by God, that the joy your heart will experience will last lifelong. Eye is a sensory organ. Why we are giving so much importance to eye? There are 5 sensory organs. Why so much importance to the eye? Nose is for smell, tongue is for taste, another sensory organ, ears for hearing, another sensory organ, skin for touch, another sensory organ. Why then give the most importance to the eye? It is because all the perceptions of the environment, 80% of it is done by the eye. The remaining 4 sensory organs, they share the 20%. They say eye is a window, especially healthy eye is a window to the soul. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure this hospital which is going to be built here is going to be the door to that window. Door to that window because people suddenly go blind. They suffer from retinal detachment. They suffer from corneal opacity. They suffer from cataract, glaucoma, many more. These conditions require immediate treatment and a sound treatment. We don't have any facilities whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen, for the retinal detachment surgery. People have to rush to Nairobi. We don't have any facility for the cornea transplant. You know, somebody getting injured, somebody developing a scar, an ulcer, the cornea goes away. The front part, which is in front of the eye, it requires corneal transplant. We don't have facility. People rush where? Nairobi. We don't have phaco emulsification surgery done here for cataract. People go to Nairobi for the phaco emulsification surgery of cataract. So on and so forth. So this hospital, ladies and gentlemen, is going to act as a door to that healthy window, giving sight to those people who need it. Now, we see a galaxy of people seated here on the podium, on the main stage. there are many more. These people have tirelessly worked, as they say, to bring this dream come true. They have really worked their hearts out for this project. Maybe they were helped by way of donation. Maybe they have helped by way of volunteering. The committee members, people like our professional man George Oraro. My son also is an advocate, a partner of Allen and Overy, Sachin Karia, based in Dubai. So, and all those people who have directly and indirectly or indirectly helped this project, I would, on behalf of all the people of Kisumu County, I would like to salute them all. Thank you so much. You know, people wonder why they work, why they donate, why they spend their time for all these things. Don't they have anything else to do? But there is a reason, ladies and gentlemen, why they help. Helping others. You know, there are 4 happy hormones in our body. And, for example, endorphin gets secreted when you walk. After a great walk or exercise, you say, oh my goodness, I feel so happy, so nice, because the endorphin has been secreted. Ladies and gentlemen, by helping others, all the 4 happy hormones get secreted in the body. And that is why they are helping others. People have different reasons. But at the end of the day, these 4 hormones, endorphin, serotonin, dopamine, and one more, and pitocin, oxytocin, all those 4 hormones get secreted when you help somebody. It is said, आंसुओं को गमों की आंच पर उबाल कर देखो, आंसुओं को गमों की आंच पर उबाल कर देखो, किसी पे रंगों की छुआर उड़ा कर देखो, आपके दिल में भी खुशियां छलकेगी, आपके दिल में भी खुशियां छलकेगी, किसी के पांव से कांटा निकाल कर देखो. What it means in English is, dry the tears of the one who is suffering. Dry the tears of the one who is suffering. And invariably, you will have happiness in your life. That is what these gentlemen are doing, ladies and gentlemen. And I would request now, all of us, even those people who have donated, stand up for those people who have volunteered, those committee members of the Lions International, the church, the bishop. Please, everybody, let us stand and say 3 cheers to these gem of the individuals, these noble people. Can you please be all standing?